the gopis, they're the ideal personalities because they're doing all their dharmas. They're churning the butter, they're churning the milk, they're worshipping the Kula Devata. Every morning they do Rangoli in front of their houses. They offer water to the sun god. They worship the Kula, the family deity. They do the tapasyas. They do the Katyayani Brat. They do the Navaratri Brata. The gopis do everything. They do everything, like the modern Indian people do today. But their full hearts and minds are always with Krishna. This is what it means yoga. Yoga means to create a balance between transcendence and between the material and the spiritual. So that's why all the greatest acharyas and greatest saints and greatest commentaries and teachers, they glorify the Braja Gopis as being the greatest yogis. They're churning, they're cooking for their families and husbands and relatives. And like Radharani's a great cook. So that means Jatila is also eating Radharani's Mahaprasad. So they're all getting benefit. But when anything the gopis are doing, their mind never wavers from Krishna, one second. This is the art of yoga. Like even this great Christian guru and liberator, Lord Jesus, he said, be in the world, but not of the world. So you live in the world, but you follow the gopis. There's the external world of your karma and your relationships with family, friends, and whatever. But then there's the internal world where the soul lives. So the gopis show how to be in the world,